Hey y'all, it's your girl CC coming back at you with another one. And today's video is kind of random, but I said why not? So I figured I'd give you a quick little closet tour. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. This is my closet. I'm gonna start down here. So this is my hamper. I'm obsessed with it. So cute. Love the pattern. My aesthetic. It has 2 rope handles and Velcro on the top. So the lid is secure. I think I've gone through lots of hampers, and this one has stayed with me the longest and lasted the longest. And then right here on this side I have my belts, which have significantly decreased in number. Just have this belt hanger. Really simple and easy to use. Those are there. This is my scarf hanger. I have lots of scarves. I actually got rid of some, but you know, that's my scarf hanger. And then we get into color coordinated shirts. They're all shirts. They're all in this tealish color hanger. I have all velvet hangers on this side. Eventually, I'm hoping the other side will too. Just haven't gotten there yet. Then all the grays are dresses, also color coordinated. Then we get into cardigans and sweaters, back in the teal color coordinated. Then we have, that goes into like blazers. Then these gray hangers here are all longer pieces, like maxi dresses and things like that. Then I have my jerseys and my onesie pajamas. So, love that. And up top, we just have these storage bags. I have 2 of them. These are all sheets, blanket stuff, and these are my extra pillows that I put on my pull-out couch when people stay over. These are all my beddings that I change. Duvets, quilts, stuff like that I change with the seasons. I'll have to organize that better. And then some extra throw pillows, beach towels into like travel things, and then extra bags, and then my like weekender bag, which I love so much. It's Steve Madden. I just love the colors and the print, and it's adorable. So that's my weekender bag, stays up there. Okay, this corner, so I got this idea, I don't even know where, but I'm obsessed. I have lots of bags and stuff like that. So I use these extra shower curtain rings that I got with the shower curtain that I've now. It like came in with them in a pack, and I hung up all of my, like, why am I blinking? Like wristlets, there we go, and my bags on these, and I like hung them up kind of according to like what they were, if they were similar. So these 2 bags are similar, so they're hanging together. These 2 bags are similar, and so on and so forth. And that way they're off. They're not like just sitting on the rack, and they're organized. So I love that. I have this kind of like thing I can do that with. Hello. Down here is like my makeup area where I store makeup. Not where I do makeup, but like I store it. So my mermaid brushes, I stored this mirror here because sometimes it's just nice to just quickly come in and grab something, put it on. I put these in a jar. I have my travel makeup bag back there. Underneath that jar, I saved a candle jar from Bath & Body Works, and that's where I put all the NYX lippies my friend got me. And then this is my makeup storage acrylic. I think I got this from Marshalls too. I got a lot of stuff from Marshalls, guys. So this is some basics here. Lipstick, lips, we get into some palettes, more palettes back there behind the storage, some eye things. Don't know why these are back there, but fun body art sticker things. So that's that. And then we get into my body sprays, which are in this giant basket, and lotions, of course. Say hi to my wig head. This is actually the second basket I've had. The first basket I had for these broke. So this one has you know, withstood some more time, and I've actually decreased a lot because I used to have like a crap ton of these old bottles. Like, you know how old that, oh my gosh, you know how old this is for it to be this bottle shape. And even, I still have these, but they still smell okay, but a lot of the old ones literally smelled like alcohol, so I threw them away. So I just kept the ones, like this one still smelled okay, so I kept it, and so did this. The rest I trashed, and then so I mostly just have newer stuff there. Down below is my suitcases. I have like a bunch of storage bins. These are my summer clothes, like hotter temperature clothes that I switch over to. I have costumes there, and I think like some more like curtain type stuff in that bin. I have these pants racks. So these are all like cropped pants. These are like stretchy dress pants. These are all jeans. These are heavier corduroy type pants, and then this is my skirt rack. Then I have the storage thing with hair products. So down there is actually like hair accessories. Up here is hair products. This bin has like flat iron, the blow dry thing I use, like the comb thing, and a curling iron. And then up top obviously is just my regular blow dryer in the box. I just stick it on top. Then up here we have all my hoodies, jackets, etc. So these are all lighter jackets. These are all jean jackets. I used to have a bunch of more vests, but I got rid of them. So vests, leather jackets, and then these are all North Faces. I love a good North Face, so these are all my North Faces. Some more storage boxes down there. And behind the door is more. So these are all shoes, like flats, basically some heels. Up top, these are all gloves and like headbands. Not headbands, but like, you know what I mean, that keep your ears warm. And then these are all hats, like winter hats. Then we get into my caps. All organized. These are all like obviously fitteds. These are not. And then these are just random hats. Then I have all my shoe boxes that I do need to organize better with some free random boots and such that go all the way down there. And mind you, these are not even all my shoes because I have 3 rolling bins under my bed. One is sneakers, one is sandals, and like some dressy shoes, and the third one is boots. But I promise I got rid of shoes that don't fit me or that I don't wear. But yeah, I think that's basically my closet. I don't know, should I do a full? I kind of just want to like show off my dressers and nightstands just because my mom did them and they're so bomb. Like, she's amazing. So I'm just gonna quickly go over. So this one is my socks. Keep my socks there, and I love these baskets. I think I got them from Burlington, I want to say. But anyway, the size of these are blue. I didn't stencil them yet. I was supposed to do that. But I'm not as productive as my mother. This is the dresser that she completely redid because she's amazing. Shout out to you, mama. So this is like the French provincial style that I'm obsessed with. She literally completely redid this entire dresser and the nightstands. The other nightstand's the same, so I'm not gonna show you. But so she literally repainted and like antiqued this. She did the handles. What's a good one to show you? We got this. I have organizers. These are all jewelry on top. But here we go. We put some felt in the bottom since it's all jewelry, and actually keep my sunglasses there, which I think is awesome. It had like this divider, so love that. The middle 3 are like underwear type thing. So literally like underwear, bras, and like camis. Then I literally have 2 for pajamas. Ivory awareness. Those are sweaters. These are sweaters, color coded, and then these are like the lighter long sleeve shirt sweaters, also color coded. But I just wanted to show you something bomb that she did. Like, she's so extra and I love it. Look at the sides of the drawers. How amazing and unique. Like, no one does this. I love her so much. So those are my drawers. And I didn't get the armoire yet. We're working on finding it. But like, obviously my nightstands completely match the dresser, so we're trying to find the exact same armoire to replace that. So that's the goal right now, and then I'll pretty much be done except for my bed, which I've really debated on. So you see my bed, it matched my old set. It's this wood color, this lighter wood. So sorry, I don't know why I'm kneeling, but I just feel, I don't feel like readjusting everything. But I've highly debated over whether I want to paint this to match the aesthetic of the room, if I wanted to get another canopy, because it is canopy. And I love that this one's interchangeable. I've had it as a 4-post. When I used to have the other, I don't know if you saw them earlier, behind the hamper is actually the other 2 bars that go in it, but then I decided I just wanted the 4 around to drape the things on, which I like. It was more open, especially with where the ceiling fan is positioned. So yeah, I'm debating if I want to just get a new bed that matches this aesthetic in a canopy, or if I just want to get a completely normal, regular bed with like a tufted headboard that would match the same color as my stuff. So that's my current dilemma. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. This upcoming Sunday's vlog is going to be like 2 weeks of vlog in one, because I did not post the vlog on Sunday, again because they were here till Monday. So I figured, why not just have a longer vlog and just have more in it, because there wasn't much there. If you don't already, feel free to follow me on social media at TNVJ. That is for Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And don't forget, choose to shine. I will see you on Sunday for another weekly vlog.